Now look at my fingers. Keep number 8 on in your mind. I have number 8 in my mind, and I have to count 7 more. 7 more. Number 8 के बाद क्या आएगा? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. You have to count till 7. 15 is the number. Now in number 15, here is the tens value and here is the ones value. You have to put ones value down below and tens value is on tens place on carry. Okay, now count it again. Keep number 3 in your mind. Count 2 more. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. Here is 65 students. Here is your answer. Okay students, you have to do all the sums like this. Let's try the next one. Neha bought 48 mango toffees and 23 orange toffees. How many toffees did she buy? Okay, let's imagine students, I am giving you 48 mango toffees, okay, and 23 orange toffees. How many total toffees now you have? You have to write it here and firstly make a sum. How many mango toffees are there? 48. 4 is under tens and 8 is under ones. Okay, and how many orange toffees? 23. 48 mango toffees and 23 orange toffees. You have to count it together. Okay, now count it. Keep 8 in your mind and count 3 more. Keep 8 in your mind. Keep the big digit in your mind and count the smallest one after the big one. 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's 11. Look at here. 11. Tens place and on ones place. Which place value you have to write it here? The ones place value. Ones place is 1 and this tens place goes on carry. 1 here. Okay, now count. Keep it in your mind. Number 4, the big digit. Count 2 more. 5, 6 and 6 plus 1, this is 7. Total toffees is 71. You have total 71 toffees. Okay, now the rest of the sums you have to solve it yourself. I am only making a sum for you. Next is Ram has 78 white cows and 19 brown cows. Here is a boy Ram, okay, and he had 78 white cows and 19 brown cows. Okay, how many cows does Ram have in all? And you have to tell how many total cows Ram have. Make a sum for it. First of all, make a box for the carry. Total white cows 78 white cows and 19 brown cows. You have to tell the total number of cows he have. Solve it yourself. Okay, the next sum is Tina has 57 stamps. Her friend Jill gives her 32 stamps more. How many stamps does Tina have now? Just suppose you have 2 pens. Look students, I have 3 sketches. Okay, I already have 3 sketches and someone gift me 2 more sketches. Someone gift me 2 more sketches and now total numbers of sketches I have. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What I have done? I have add all the sketches. Add up. Okay. Now the sum says that Tina has already 57 stamps. टीना के पास 57 स्टेम्प्स थी और उसके बाद उसके फ्रेंड जिल ने उसको 32 मोर स्टैम्प्स दे दी। तो अब आपको ये बताना है कि टीना के पास टोटल कितनी स्टैम्प्स हो गई। ओके, टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स टीना हैव 57 and his friend Jill gave him the stamps number 32. You have to add it and solve it. Okay, now question next. Kitty cat eats 38 rats in April and 25 rats in May. How many rats does she eat in 2 months? Okay, you have to understand the question. What the question says: there was a kitty cat, there was a cat who eats 38 rats in April month. Okay, and she eats 25 more rats in May month. How many total rats she eat in both the months? Okay, let us try to solve the sum. 38 rats in April and 25 rats in May month. You have to calculate the total rats she eat. Okay, now next question is: Beenu has 32 books in one bag, okay, and 42 in another bag. How many books does Beenu have in all? A boy Beenu has 32 books in one bag and 42 books in another bag. Beenu have two bags, and in first bag he has 32 books and in second bag he has 42 books. You have to tell total number of books he have. Make a box for the carry. Now 32 books in bag 1 and 42 books in bag 2. Okay, you have to add up and solve it. Okay students, the last question is: on Sheetal's birthday, her friends gave her 46 gifts and her parents gave her 17 more gifts. There was a Sheetal's birthday, and on birthday lots of gifts have given to you on your birthday also. On Sheetal's birthday, Sheetal's friends gave 46 gifts to Sheetal, and Sheetal's parents gave her 17 more gifts. You have to add up and tell us the total number of gifts she collect on her birthday. Okay, make a box for carry. 46 gifts are given to Sheetal by her friends and 17 gifts given to her by her parents. Okay, the total number of gifts you have to add up and solve it. Okay students, this is your page number 31 from maths book. You have to solve it and give me the answers of it so that I can check it. Thank you.